Look around. Most products today are just copies. Same look, same packaging, same idea. That's why starting a business feels harder now, especially from home or with limited money. But there's one way to stand out: customization. So today I'm showing you 7 home-based manufacturing ideas built to win in 2026. Stay until the end. Number 7 surprises most people. Let's start. Customized socks. This idea works because socks sit in a strange but powerful space. Everyone uses them, nobody thinks about them, and that's exactly why customization turns them into something memorable. The moment you put a face, a pet, a name, or a private joke on socks, they stop being clothing and become a reaction product. People buy them to laugh, to surprise someone, to give a personal gift that doesn't feel serious or risky. From a setup point of view, this is more technical than crafts, but still realistic for a small workspace. The core tool is a digital sock printing machine that prints designs directly onto seamless socks, along with blank socks, basic design software, and simple finishing and packing tools. The average investment is higher than most home ideas, usually around $2,500 to $5,000, but what you get in return is consistency, speed, and the ability to offer true one-to-one customization at scale. The opportunity here is differentiation. Very few small sellers specialize in customized socks seriously, even though demand clearly exists. Market demand comes from gifting, novelty purchases, personal branding, and online culture where people love wearing or gifting something unexpected. Socks are also lightweight, easy to ship, and easy to reorder, which makes this category surprisingly strong once the setup is in place. 2. Personalized self-care gifts. This category sells because people are mentally exhausted and they're actively buying small experiences that make life feel calmer. But here's the twist. The wellness space is crowded with generic products. That's why personalization matters so much here. The moment you add a name, an intention, a message, or a theme that feels specific, the set becomes a personal ritual instead of just another item. It shifts from "I bought a product" to "I bought a feeling." Tools are simple, but you need to be clean and consistent. Basic making tools depending on what you include, safe materials, and strong labeling and packaging, because presentation is half the value in self-care gifting. You can start small, focused, and professional. Average investment is often $150 to $400 if you keep the first version simple and don't overcomplicate the product line. The opportunity is branding. This category lets you build a recognizable style fast because buyers respond to vibe and consistency. Market demand is strong because self-care is year-round, gifting is constant, and people reorder when something becomes part of their routine. Customization also makes this category harder to compare because if the gift feels personal, the buyer stops browsing and just chooses. 3. Custom LED neon text signs. Alright, now let's switch energy completely because this category is the opposite of quiet. It's a statement piece. Custom LED neon text signs sell because people are obsessed with identity in physical space. They want their name in lights, their brand name behind their counter, their wedding phrase in the background of photos, or one word that represents their vibe in a bedroom or gaming setup. This isn't a product that sits in a drawer, it lives on the wall and becomes part of the room's personality. And that's why buyers treat it like a personal upgrade, not a generic purchase. The tools are still home-friendly, but more workshop than craft table. LED neon flex, acrylic backing, power supplies, mounting hardware, and basic assembly tools. You can start with a clean, simple workflow and expand as you get better at finishing. The average investment is usually $400 to $700 because materials and clean assembly matter here. The opportunity is that one basic process gives you endless variations without reinventing anything. You're basically selling customization as a service wrapped inside a physical product. Market demand stays strong because these signs are tied to moments people care about: room makeovers, business launches, weddings, birthdays, events, and content creation backgrounds. When people want their space to feel theirs, they don't buy the cheapest thing, they buy the thing that looks right. 4. Personalized themed nightlights. This category wins in a completely different way. It's calm, practical, and quietly addictive for buyers. Personalized themed nightlights sit in the sweet spot where something is useful every day but still feels like a gift. Parents buy them because they want a room to feel safe and personal. Gift buyers love them because they're thoughtful without being complicated. And for adults, they work in entryways and corners of the house where soft light makes everything feel warmer. The customization can be a name, a symbol, a theme, or a combination that makes it feel made for that person. Tools are simple and home-sized: LED light bases, acrylic or wood panels, a small engraver or cutter, and basic assembly supplies. The average investment lands around $300 to $600, mainly because you need reliable components and a consistent finish. The opportunity here is that you can build theme families without changing your production method. One workflow, many designs, and you don't need to hold risky inventory. You stock blanks and personalize per order. Market demand stays steady because this product is tied to life events that never stop: babies, birthdays, room upgrades, and gifting. Also, buyers love personalization for kids because it feels safer and more intentional than random mass decor. So the purchase is emotional and protective at the same time, which is a strong combination. 5. Customized t-shirts. Customized t-shirts work because clothing is already part of daily life, and personalization turns something ordinary into something intentional. People don't buy custom t-shirts the same way they buy normal clothes. They buy them for moments: birthdays, trips, inside jokes, team events, family gatherings, gym groups, small brands, personal statements. What makes this perfect for a home business is that you don't need to predict trends or design for the masses. You're producing one shirt for one person, and that completely changes the buying psychology. From a setup perspective, this is very realistic to run from home. The main tool is a t-shirt printer suitable for small batches, along with blank shirts, basic design software, and a simple workspace for printing and drying. You don't need storage-heavy inventory because you can keep blanks and print on demand. The average investment is usually around $400 to $900, depending on print quality and speed. The opportunity here is speed and flexibility. You can accept custom orders, react to events quickly, and test niches without risk. Market demand stays strong because people never stop wanting shirts that say something about who they are. And once customization enters the picture, buyers stop comparing prices and start caring about accuracy, delivery, and personal meaning instead. Number 6. Customized jewelry. Customized jewelry works on a deeper level than most products because it's not about trends or fashion cycles, it's about memory. People buy customized jewelry to mark moments: a name for a partner, initials for a child, a date they never want to forget, a symbol that only two people understand. That's why this category never really slows down. From a home-based setup, you don't need a full jewelry workshop or expensive machinery. Many sellers start with simple engraving tools, basic hand tools for assembly, quality jewelry blanks, and very careful packaging, because presentation matters as much as the piece itself. The average investment is usually around $300 to $800, which covers tools, starter materials, and packaging without overcommitting. The opportunity here is trust. Once someone buys personalized jewelry and it arrives looking clean, accurate, and thoughtful, you become their go-to seller for future gifts, birthdays, anniversaries, milestones. Market demand stays strong because personalized jewelry sits at the intersection of emotion and gifting, and once a name or date is engraved, the product stops being jewelry and becomes a personal story someone wears every day. 7. Crochet encouragement gifts. This category is sneaky powerful because it doesn't compete like a normal product. You're not selling yarn, you're selling a feeling. People buy crochet encouragement gifts when they want to say something they can't fully say with words. I'm proud of you. I'm here. Don't give up. You matter. That's why this niche stays alive all year, because life keeps throwing people hard weeks, big transitions, exams, breakups, burnouts, new jobs, new babies, and 1,000 little moments where someone wants to send comfort without making it awkward. The tools are simple and honestly relaxing to work with at home: crochet hooks, yarn, stuffing, a needle, and clean packaging that makes the item feel gift-ready the moment it arrives. Your average investment can be very low, around $50 to $150, because the real engine here is consistency and style, not expensive equipment. The opportunity is that handmade encouragement items feel human, and humans trust human things when everything else feels mass-produced. Market demand comes from gifting behavior, and this category benefits from repeat buyers too, because once someone finds a seller whose style feels warm and consistent, they come back for the next friend, the next occasion, the next "I need something small but meaningful" moment. If one of these ideas made you stop and think, that's exactly the point. This is how small, smart manufacturing wins in 2026. If you found value here, like the video, share it with someone who's serious about starting, and subscribe to Business Dash for more real manufacturing ideas. I'll see you in the next one.